Hi everybody, hope you are doing well. It was the lime season, so I started to make some jewelry with the fresh limes. After this handcraft, I told myself that so you are making earrings with anything or maybe or whatever. You are very welcome to my channel, and I'm really glad to have another beautiful day to make something new and to share it with you. If you are ready, so grab a sharp knife and a few limes and follow the entire video. For the beginning, we need a very sharp knife, a few limes, newspaper, some heavy river stone or maybe a thick book, and toilet papers. So the first step is cutting the lime. You should cut them carefully. Watch your hands and also try to cut them straight and clean. I mean, don't pressure the lime too much and do not damage the edges and skin. Next step, open a newspaper. Put a clean toilet paper on it and put all the lime on the toilet paper. We need to dry them first and we need them straight and in a good shape, right? So after sitting the limes on toilet paper, add another layer of paper on them. Then add a layer of newspaper on the whole things. Toilet paper can suck the water inside fruits and the newspaper is kind of anti-pressure. So it helps you to have a very flat pieces. Anyway, after all, put something heavy on top. I'm using stone, but you can use anything such as a thick book or some heavy boxes. And as you see, after 2 weeks, my limes become like this. I'm using a sandpaper for the sharp and keen edges. The sandpaper makes your earring very smooth. Now it's coloring time. In general, you can use ink, vitriol, acrylic or any color that you think is usable. I'm using vitriol because it has a great texture like glass, so shiny and transparent. But if you use something like ink, you should use varnish after that. I color the pulp into orange and the skin part into the green. Please don't be loyal to my suggestion and feel free to choose your own favorite colors. Okay, as you see, I color some other ones for some friends. So we are going to the next step, earrings basement and adding some beads. Just in case, I'm adding all we need on the same page and try to show you 4 different styles of making these limes earring. The last step is much easier. First, gluing the colorful bead to lime pieces. I will use this bead as a link from the lime to the ring. Instead of hot glue, you can also use DIY glue or wood glue. But to be honest, I prefer the hot glue because it's very easy to use and quick, and also it makes a very strong link. Anyway, as you see, after that I'm adding some rings and other beads and earrings basement. You can add all these accessories in your style and mood. Here is the final result of lime earrings. Hope you enjoyed this handcraft. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and comments below. Share my video with your friends, and if you make some of them, you can share the result with me by email or any link down below. Love you always. See you next time.